Yes, it's going to record. So this is our home screen for our classroom, and to turn in classwork you need to go to the Classwork tab, and then you have to find the assignment. So today I'm asking you to turn in your form quiz that you made on networking. So it's going to be here, and it looks like 4 people have already turned it in, but 13 people still need to, and that's okay. During this time, I'm not going to penalize you if you turn things in a day or 2 late, or if you've been out for a while and you turn them in once you start feeling better. There's going to be no penalty for your grades. Okay, so you're going to view the assignment, and because I'm not a student, I'm going to have to switch to student mode to show you how to turn it in. Would anybody want to volunteer that?
I will.
Yay! All right, so perfect. Carter's going to let us volunteer to use his computer. So I'm going to show his screen to you guys. Can everybody see his screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. So when he goes, I am still recording. Isn't that crazy? So he's already submitted. So here's what it looks like when he's already submitted. But I'm gonna unsubmit the assignment so I don't have to go to another computer. So when he comes into his classroom for me, he'll go to the Classwork tab to turn something in. This is where we turn in work that's going to be graded. And he's going to find the assignment. It's here. And he's going to see that it is missing, which means he's not turned it in yet. So this is a way to check yourself. And then to turn it in, we're going to actually go view the assignment. And there's a box here that allows you to turn your work in. So this is what it would look like if you've not turned it in yet. You're going to click Add, and then you're going to go to your what? Your Google Drive. That is right. And so normally the work that you've been working on to turn in is going to be there under the Recent tab. If not, you can scroll down and look through things. But this is obviously what we're going to turn in here because it's our networking quiz. So after you add it, guess what you click? Turn in. And it's going to double check and it's going to say, are you sure? Is this what you want to turn in? And he did a great job naming this to let me know that it was worked on with a partner. So hit turn in. Boom shakalaka. We're done.